What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Run My Crypto. Hopefully you guys are doing extremely well today. We got a good video for you guys. Now what I'm going to do today in this video is bring some light to some 30x projects that potentially could gain you a nice amount of money, and we're going to go after those who do not have a lot of money to invest, and to those that may have not be invested in crypto yet, guys. So this one is going to be a powerhouse for you guys. I'm going to introduce you guys to some solid projects. We're going to look at three, and I'm not going to dive deep into these projects, but I'm going to bring these projects to your knowledge and your understanding, so it'll be up to you guys to decide whether you want to invest in these projects. But we are here to make money, guys, and this is what my due diligence is for my community, for those of you guys who tune into my videos and watch my videos, is to try to make you guys some money and make you feel that sense of accomplishment in cryptocurrency, because cryptocurrency is here to stay, guys. It doesn't matter where you're at around the globe. You could be anywhere and you could definitely make some money in crypto, guys. So let's get into this video. Make sure you guys hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and hit that bell notification if you guys want to see more videos like this, guys. So let's get into it. 3 crypto projects, very little money to invest in, guys, but I'm going to bring these to your guys' light, your attention, so you guys can make that decision. I'm going to put these projects out here. You guys, I'm expecting you guys to do your homework, look into these projects, and make sure you guys feel comfortable in investing in these projects, guys. All right, so I hope you guys enjoy this one. Make sure you guys stay through to the end, because we're going to go through, basically talk about these 3 projects a little bit. Don't dig too deep into it. I'm gonna let you guys dig into it, because I want you guys to get the fullness of understanding how to look into a project and how to get the information that you need to make sure that this project is going to be sustainable, not for the short term, guys, but for the long term, guys. We're in it to win it. We're in it for the long run, guys. We're not in it for a short little squeeze. We're trying to make some big dollars in crypto, and what we can do is make some money this year or the next year or whenever this bull run happens. Okay, then you take that money and you reinvest into crypto, but don't do it in the bear market, guys. Only in the, not even, you do it, I'm sorry, I take that back. I just shot myself in the foot. You do it in the bear market. You invest in the bear market and you cash out in the bull market, guys. Man, I almost threw you guys off a cliff, but sorry about that. But anyways, we're going to talk about that a little bit more. Since I spilled that, I'm going to add that off the top of my head. I'm going to add that into the video, guys, because I made that mistake. So let's get into it, guys. Hope you guys like it. Again, make sure you smash that like button and then hit that subscribe button so you guys can see more videos from me. And then obviously hit that bell notification so you know when they come out, guys, because they're random. I'm sorry, I'm not in the algorithm. Like, I can't post consistently. I mean, I can, but I get excited because I want to get my videos out to you guys. I don't want them to sit there till the next day. I want you to get them like when I do them, guys. All right. So anyways, thank you guys for tuning in to Run My Crypto. Let's go. Let's get into it, guys. 3 crypto projects that will make you a little bit of chunk of change. All right, guys, let's talk about the first project. The first project is called Rose. That is the ticker symbol that you will find in CoinMarketCap or any crypto exchange or anything like that will get you to this project. So that's ROSE. Now the Rose is the native token for this company, which is Oasis Network or Oasis Protocol, but I'm pretty sure it's a Oasis Network, guys. So this project, why do I believe it's a 30x project? Because, guys, this project does have a cap on its supply, guys. So that makes it just like Bitcoin. And what happens when your projects are capped out? That means they can't dump coins to bring the price down. But what it does is actually make the price go up. But what makes Rose or Oasis Network so unique, guys, is the fact that it's an AI token. Okay, well, it's considered an AI token, but the blockchain is super ridiculous, guys. So when we're looking at this, right, this is a layer 1. Okay, so it's a layer 1, and the cool thing about this project is that this project has developers from Amazon, Google, Saks, who else, a lot of UC Berkeley students. So that's what's pretty cool, because you got a little mixture of developers that are actually skilled, qualified to do things, right? So they're educated. And this project is it's actually gaining a lot of attention, guys. And I believe that this project's going to push into the AI narrative. I think that this is a very scalable layer 1, definitely. They're in the metaverse, the NFT space. What else? Secure architecture, next generation, like all this crazy weirdness, right? So anyways, you look it up. I'm not going to sit here and I'm not going to read off anything. I'm already trying to look at my notes, but forget it, because I'm going off the top, guys. So This project is going to be doing very well. It's a 30x project, definitely. I think it could go further than that. Right now it's sitting at roughly about 4 cents, I believe. Let me check it out. It's sitting at, yeah, 0.04. So it's sitting at 4 cents, guys. This thing has seen 50 cents in 2022 during a bear market, so it's got some attention, like some other projects like Caspa seen some action in a bear market. You know, other projects that have done well in the bear market is cool because they have not really seen the you know, the impact of a real bull run. So if these things are pumping during bear markets, guys, that's got to tell you something. That means there's attention on them. There's a lot of money that's flown in because of the belief system behind these projects. That's why they get those pumps in the bear market, guys. And so when a bull market hits, a bull run hits, these things are going to take off like a kite in the wind, guys. So this is going to be, I'm going to call it a 30x, guys, but I still feel there's a lot more potential there. But I'm here to help you guys make money. And again, this is not financial advice. I'm just here to put these projects in front of you so you guys could go do your research on these projects and then decide whether you want to invest them in or not. Okay, invest in them or not. Sorry. So anyways, the next project we're going to talk about is ICP. So this project has a very disgusting looking chart, just like Jasmy coin, which is my favorite coin. And I think that Jasmy is going to go crazy and bionic and everywhere else. That's why it's going to be the next coin I talk about. But anyways, I'm always spoiling it, aren't I? Spoil it. But anyway, so ICP, right now it's sitting at about $3.80 or $3.07, guys. So this thing has came out, was introduced into the crypto space. This coin was sitting at $450 and then just took a plummet. But again, like, here's the thing. When these coins came out in this bear market, honestly, there wasn't that many people involved in crypto. But now there are tons of people involved in crypto. There's a lot more knowledge and understanding of what Web3 is. And this one right here, ICP, I think it's mind-boggling how this thing is sitting where it is, guys. This thing should be sitting at the $70-$80 mark. I don't think it should ever fall below that. But for some reason it did, guys. But it was very uniquely and interesting. My eye is on this project because I think this thing is going to be massive. All right. So this thing is like a world computer, guys, like a world computer, right? In Web3, that's what we're doing, guys. Web3, come on. This is basically the caveat to Web3 and the way that they built this system and the way that this thing should operate when everything's into play is gonna be insane, guys. Like, so I've barely started digging into this, and what I've seen, I'm actually gonna try to take a solid holding on this one because I feel this thing is gonna go back up to 100 easily. But we're not gonna put it at 100, guys. We're gonna put it at a 30x at $92 around there, $93. That's where I believe that project's gonna go, guys. But again, it's to help you guys make money. I'm not trying to, you know, turn you guys greedy or anything like that, but I do believe this thing is going to 30x, guys. ICP 30x, guys. And again, so I'm talking about investing a little bit of money into these projects. Nothing major. Nothing's going to kill you. Nothing's going to put you on the street because I'm not about that life. I've been there. I know what it's like. I know what it's like to lose a lot. So I don't want to see that. I don't want to see that for you guys. And I'm not talking about in crypto, I'm talking about in life in general. But you know what? We're winning now. Things are good. God is great. It is what it is. So let's go into Jasmy coin, guys. So Jasmy is going to be the next one. I am not putting you guys at an exit for Jasmy at 30x, guys. I'm putting you guys at an exit of Jasmy at 50x. That means you're going to 50 times whatever you invest into this project. Why? Because data, guys, data is so sweet. You know, that data is like the new gold. Data is the new oil. Data is the new value, guys. That's what you guys got to understand. And then, but everybody, they're going to be in the comments and they're going to be like, this guy's crazy. This guy's cuckoo. It is what it is, guys. I believe in what I believe in. You guys believe what you believe in. And you know what? It is what it is. There's so many haters, though. There's so many haters. I go through my comments, guys, and there's so many. And I'm like, you know, I try to be the best I could be, right? Because, you know, if you guys are part of the Jasmy family, baby, throw your Jasmys in the comments, guys. Show the love. You guys need to start addressing some of this for me. You know what I mean? But I mean, not be respectful, please. But what I'm saying is, like, I'm like, where do you? These guys are like rug pull scam. It's fake. Come on, guys. Come on. The community is deep. Jasmy community is deep, guys, and it's getting deeper by the day. I don't know. I'm going to stress this because Jasmy community is getting deep, guys. And this is the thing that, you know, you have to understand is that people are going to be optimistic. skeptical. You know, there's two sides to it, right? Some are going to be like, Jasmy could go to $100, and then there's some that are like, Jasmy's fake, Jasmy's a scam coin, Jasmy is nothing. It is what it is, guys. But the light is that I'm bringing these to you guys. Just, you know, all you got to do now is just type in these coins and look at the projects and see what they're about, see what they're going to do, guys. And that's where you make your decisions based on if you want to invest in these projects or not. But these projects are pretty low market cap. You know, ICP is at about $1 billion, but there's no way that it's not going to be able to see about 30 billion, especially what this project has got into it. I mean, this thing is like a sleeper, guys. Like, this project is a sleeper, has so much maximum potential. It's going to go beyond 30x. I'm sorry. I'm going to throw that out there. Like, you know, and then make sure you guys think those price prediction, guys. If you go in and you type up price prediction for ICP, price prediction for Jasmy, price prediction for HBAR, Quant, whatever you type in, it's going to be some funky price prediction, guys. But you guys have to understand what they're talking about. They're not price predictions on how high they're going to go in the bull run. These are price predictions are basically set on how, when everything settles after the bull market goes up and then the price comes down, that's where they're talking about it's going to settle. So they're going to give you these years and how it's going to look, but they're not giving you price predictions based on where the market's going to go, guys. So that's what you have to understand. Don't get it twisted. They're talking about after the dust settles, after it goes up, everybody sells out, comes back down, that's where it's going to settle at, and that's where they're kind of gauging where it's going to be. But they're as accurate as anybody else. You know, it's nobody knows what a company is going to do. Nobody knows the next big thing, you know, until it happens. You know, that's what it is. That's what it comes down to. Now, going back to what I was saying earlier, where I dropped the ball and I'm like, invest in the bull run. No, you don't. Do not invest in the bull run. So what you guys want to do is, this was not supposed to be in the video, but we're going to talk about it anyway. So the best time to build wealth, and I'm going to say this again, the best time to build wealth is in a very low bear market. Okay, so you don't want to be buying coins when they're up. You want to buy them when they're super low, when nobody wants to stay in crypto because crypto's not doing nothing for you. But that's what happens. Investments go stagnant, investments go down. You have to know when to take your profits, and that's only in bull runs and pumps, you know. So if you get, as you become smarter, a smarter investor, and you start thinking big term, long term, macro, then you start to understand, okay, now I know when to get into investing. The most of the wealth is built in the lower pits of the market. Okay, wealth's not built when the bull run's going and this coin is going from 5 cents to $1, and you don't buy at $1. You got to buy when it's at the lowest point it possibly could be. And being able to understand that is going to take some time and some education. And you know, the more time you spend in crypto, in the market, the more you're going to gain, the more you're going to learn, and the best benefit you'll have for your future. Okay, you can change your lives in crypto, guys, and that's what I'm hoping to bring you guys, is I'm putting these projects in front of you. If you don't have a lot of money, like I said, I'm going to drop this strategy right here, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and close out, guys, but I wanted you guys to be I want to be transparent with these projects, so you guys could look them up. You guys could like search, do your research. If you guys have any questions, make sure you drop them in the comments, because I'm here. I'm going to answer them all day long. I answer most of my comments, except for like the ones that are like, oh, you're so stupid, you don't know what you're talking about. Some of those I just let be. Some I just, you know, I try not to entertain it, but you know, it is what it is. You guys need to help me out, back me up, my Jasmy family, my Jasmy community. But drop it in the comments. Let me know what you guys think about Rose Oasis Network. Let me know what you think about ICP. Let me know what you think about Jasmy. Make sure you guys drop that in the comments, guys. And I'm going to bring you another one tomorrow night. So be on the lookout. If you're not notified, make sure you hit that bell notification so you can check out my videos. Smash that like button. Hit that subscribe button, guys. I love you guys. Take care. Be blessed. As always, make sure you make the best investment decisions for yourself. And check out this strategy that I put together for you guys. All right. Take care. Be blessed.